reminds me of a story from my family. A tale of a cousin long ago who wandered deep into the mountains.
He followed a trail no one else dared, and the forest started to glow around him.
Follow me.
A woman of light led him to a tree unlike any other.
My ancestor once vanished into the mountains for a single afternoon. At least, that's what he thought.
Follow me.
He trailed a glowing woman through the forest to a tree that shimmered like sunrise. Inside,
Follow me. Thanks, but I'll pass.
10 years have passed. And that's how my ancestor vanished for a decade in a single afternoon.
My mother's village near Mount Makiling. We honor the old tales of the Diwata and Encanto, guardians of the balete trees who whisper warnings through the wind. Tabi-tabi po.
Sumunod ka sa akin, anak ng lupa. Follow me to the hidden balete.
Tabi-tabi po, Diwata, Encanto, pakibigyan ng daan.
Antay ng puno. Buksan mo ang daan para sa amin. The path is awake.
incredible.
Siguro gutom ka na pagkatapos ng iyong paglalakbay. Halika, sumama ka sa amin at kumain. Surely you're hungry. Come eat with us, as our ancestors once shared with you. Siguro gutom ka na pagkatapos ng iyong paglalakbay. Halika, sumama ka sa amin at kumain. Surely you're hungry. Come eat with us, as our ancestors once shared with you.
Ang umalis.
Manatili ka at sumayaw sa amin magpakailanman.
Don't leave.
Stay and dance with us forever in our timeless groves.
Please, our hearts will keep your steps.
Paalam po.
Bumalik ka! 10 taon na ang lumipas. Wala ka sa Encanto. 10 years have passed. You were lost to the Encanto.
10 years? No.
At iyan ang dahilan kung bakit hindi namin kinakain ang bigay-gay ng engkanto sa kagubatan.
Bless the forest steal your years, as it did my ancestors.
Tabi-tabi po.